soul. Good evening, everyone. This is Lorme Almeria Patecio, proud and honored to represent Barangay Nastulia.
Good evening, candidate number 11. You look so confident tonight.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone.
And this is your question. What is your vision for the future of your community?
Good evening, everyone. My vision in my community is a place where every people united, empowered, and proud of their culture. I hope to see people, especially young girls, to be given opportunities to lead, inspire, and use their talents to showcase our traditions and values to preserve and pass in the next generation. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 11. Okay, good evening, candidate number 11.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, so here is your final question. If you won't be fortunate enough to be crowned as Linay Kanghurugyao 2026, will you still continue to serve your community? If so, how do you intend to do it?
Thank you. If I will win tonight as Karugyao 2026, I believe that it is not about title. It is about how we inspire, how we encourage, and make a positive impact to others. And if I will continue, yes, I will continue so that the future generation would have background stories of where they came from, and I will use it as a platform to be a voice to the young children, that to believe in themselves, that always remember to believe in themselves. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 11.